Good day, loyal customers. This is Babs Vinlog. Today we're here to review the Xiaomi portable Bluetooth speaker. This speaker comes with a dynamic sound quality that goes everywhere you do. It is water and dust resistant with a long battery life. It supports Bluetooth 5.0 or Bluetooth version 5.0 with dual audio system. This Bluetooth speaker is compact and portable, very lightweight. It's very small enough to carry in a bag or hold in the palm of your hand. This speaker has a sophisticated design that hides everything but dynamic sound. It comes with dual drivers with rare earth magnets. It comes with powerful magnet which provides high sensitivity and realistic detail. It's also designed with Canadian long fiber diaphragm which equips or supports damping cone breakup for clear and natural audio. It also comes with passive radiator which enhances deep bass and low frequency reproduction for better sound texture. It is IP67 rating, that's for waterproof, its waterproof level. This speaker is rated 5 level for dust and water resistance, meaning that the internal components are protected from sweat, rain and then dust, so you can feel safe taking it anywhere. It has 10-hour battery life for long-lasting enjoyment. You enjoy up to 10 hours of music on full charge. The battery capacity is 2000 milliamps per hour with a USB Type-C charging ports. It's equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 for fast and stable connections. You enjoy wireless freedom with this integrated Bluetooth 5.0 chip, which ensures compatibility with a wide range of devices and a stable signal for fast transmission speed and powerful interference mitigation. It's equipped with dual audio for stereo sound. It allows you to combine two speakers into a wireless stereo configuration, with the two speakers serving as the right and the left sound channels for a comprehensive listening experience. So guys, the Bluetooth version is Bluetooth 5.0 with a USB Type-C charging port and a communication range up to 10 meters with a power capacity of up to 10 hours of usage. So guys, this Bluetooth speaker comes in the package. You find the Bluetooth speaker and USB Type-C charging cable and then a user manual. Guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more updates.